As a naturopath, skin health is three-dimensional. Our gut, mind and skin are all interlinked, communicating with each other, impacting how we look, feel and renew. Supporting all three helps us to get the very best out of our skin. My Skin Saviour Smoothie is loaded with antioxidants, good fats, nutrients and all-important fibre for our gut microbiome. I boost it with Mahonia Skin Formula, a cleansing tincture blend using bitter herbs like Mahonia, artichoke and gotu kola. We recommend taking it 3 times daily. You can also pop 2 mils in a little water. 1 omega-rich avocado gives a creamy texture. A large handful of spinach and blueberries add protective antioxidants. A quarter cucumber, parsley and a big squeeze of lemon support our natural cleansing processes. Matcha has exceptionally high antioxidants and the unique amino acid L-theanine, which helps to calm the mind. Organic beauty oil is a balanced blend of omegas 3, 6 and 9, cold pressed from plants, and finally Mahonia Skin Formula. Whiz the whole lot up with 400 mils of water and some apple juice if you have a sweeter tooth.